Okay, so just welcome back to the build video for this hybrid 3D printed car thing. Right, so these are the pieces for the bonnet, which have just been done. It's a Artillery X2. It's quite a reasonable thing. 3D printer, filament printer, and it's got a volcano nozzle, which I've put a 0.8mm in, and then used 6mm layer height and 100mm a second on the interior and 50mm a second on the outer wall, with a 0.2mm support structure underneath, and it comes out very stringy, like, where's the camera? It comes out very stringy like this. So what that means is it's easier to remove, which I will attempt now. Where's the tools thing? When I said I was going to make this in the kitchen, I really wasn't kidding. I'm actually making this in the kitchen. So let's set that up so that it's not blocking the camera. And that's there. Alright, so what I've done is I've numbered all of these nodes. B for base 13, and it corresponds to the node number on the that got of the both the STL file, but also the where it is in the print. Now the pipes, the 20.5mm pipes, are going to go over this. All right, so it's important that this is clear. If this is your mum's table, be careful. Try and make sure you can actually see this on the camera itself. Right. And the rest, it's actually the important bits to make sure that it clear the edge, and then it's flat all the way around. Because this has been printed at very strange angles. You can see this one, although that is straight, the angle that this comes out at, this one, is not straight. Let's just break that off. And so the other important thing is to make sure, because the pipes, the bamboo pipes, are going to go on these, is to make sure that they're free and clear of any support structures that got on them. Yeah, this one's okay. And what's the file? And then we're just going to go around these and wait for the file. Just going round. It's the inner edge that's the important bit, because you get bumps on the whole thing. But all of this stuff is not important, because that's going to be, all of this stuff that's on here really is important. Just get a small pipe. because it's going to be inside the resin and the cloth. So you can see now the pipe will fit nicely over that, not too much in the way of gaps. Let's try and use a flat edge piece. Yeah, that's okay. That's all right all round. What about this one? I could do with a bit here. There we go. That's okay. That's all right. Yeah, no, I'll prepare the rest for that one later. Right. So here's ones I've been doing earlier. Now, this is the one I reassembled it. I disassembled it and reassembled it. This is the one that I just put everything together loosely with tape. It was awful, and it was a waste of my time. Not least because when I redid the thing with the nodes, I adjusted the size of the nodes slightly, and annoyingly, all of these pipes are now all of these bamboo things are now too small, which is really irritating because I've got to redo every single one of the damn things. But anyway, so what we've got here is the diagram on which I marked out all of the pipes and numbers, and they have corresponding pieces of paper that are cut out. So that's number 24, and it is 49.7 millimeters long. And on this diagram, oh look, it is the front one. Yay! I got it right. So basically what I'm doing is a combination of either just taping up and taping and gluing the nodes in place, but I'm using, this is one that they haven't put the pipe on yet for that goes forward, and that one is number 48, pipe number 48. I had to use the CAD diagram, the 3D CAD diagram, to orientate these nodes correctly. It's like, was it that way round? I don't know. The thing that's going to look at the thing, and it was a royal nuisance. Because of course I think my laptop's upstairs. But yeah, so pieces of paper I'm cutting out and then putting them onto the thing, and then cutting the bamboo out here. The PVC pipes I'm doing it outside, but everything, and yeah, but I'm not gluing all of them because the orientation might be wrong, so I've left some loose. So that one is glued, but that one is not, so I can twist the pipe and get the angle right. I think that one is not glued, and that one is, and that one isn't, and then that one is. You get the idea. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Thank you very much.